Hello, in this video I wanted to show some live differences of how PlexiSoft differs from our competitors. So in this example here I've chosen Volusion. I went ahead and signed up for their 14-day free trial, and this is basically what their initial dashboard page looks like. A lot of people have been asking me how they feel this is different than competitors, who's going to be buying it, uh, what are the strengths, all those things. So I believe in this video that should answer most of those questions on what I believe are the main differences and why PlexiSoft was conceived as the original idea to help uh, clients run their businesses, more easily and with more customization, options, and with being extremely scalable. So in the future, our system can grow with their business, and there's no type of integration issues or all the other issues that we normally come across when we want to expand our business. So here we see the Volusion dashboard screen. This is a pretty common type of dashboard that we see throughout all different types of software, whether it's CRM or help desk or shopping cart. And this is pretty much the layout of how these dashboards are set up. This one here is not one you can really move around. This is a static dashboard. You can see here they only have a week, month, all these 3 months. So that's really all you get to do. It's kind of up to them how you want to see your reports. So this is just a basic example of what we're normally expected to see when we look at a lot of different competitors. And the only two competitors I know of that do have the ability to move dashboards and add new dashboards, but on a pretty basic level, are Sugar CRM and Salesforce. That's where the original concept was kind of examined originally, but we basically took that to a whole new level because this is not just restricted to dashboard information. Now I want to emphasize and say, I said competitor about Sugar and Salesforce, but in reality we're not competitors with them, strictly due to the fact that we're small business and they're enterprise solutions. So this is another reason that really sets us apart from the competitors, is because we're now allowing the small businesses to have advanced features you would only find in an enterprise solution. That is going to put us way ahead of the game. And on top of that, we're offering it for a competitive price in the in the small business market. So I believe when you combine all those things together, we're looking at really a whole new product that people can interact with and grow their business in ways that were somewhat limited before. So I just wanted to start out by showing the difference between how competitors do their dashboards and how we're going to be combining not only just dashboards but the features of the software itself in order to combine the two in a workspace environment that allows for a lot more customization and ease of use, and many other benefits. So if we jump over to the Plexi side here, this here would be what you would see obviously first, usually referred to as a dashboard. But obviously the differences are, now every single Plexi board, as we call them, can be positioned according to how the client wants to view it. So whatever priority they have and how their business runs, they can, select the Plexi boards they feel that are most pertinent to their business situation. So all these Plexi boards are, pinnable to their location. in this example, you can see that here's one actual statistics dashboard that's combined with other Plexi boards. So this is just one general, for example, this could be the general dashboard of the client, which has all the basic functions as well as statistics that they want to see. But then, to expand that, let's say we just wanted to see, for example, I already have a CRM one I built on here, and we add all the CRM Plexi boards that relate strictly to that. And we're also going to have many more other different types. Here's the report tab for all the report Plexi boards, and then we have a unique Plexi board category. We're going to add all different kind of unique Plexi boards that don't really relate directly to the actual features within the software. So, for now, the calendar is something that's being used on the CRM side, but this is also going to be used for many other features that can be adapted into, such as reservations or airline reservations or anything like that. So all those other kind of Plexi boards will be added in this section here. So let me cancel this since I already have one. So the person created their CRM dashboard here. For now, this is just going to be moved over here. Let me pin this. So we can't really show you the full extent of how the Plexi boards are really going to combine together because we don't have the report builder and a lot of the other features built out, so we can show all the different types that can be combined to really see the difference. But from what you can see here, you can just keep going on and creating all the different types of different workspaces. That's what I'm going to refer to them from now on as workspaces. So whether you want that to be an actual workspace or in a combination of workspace and reports or just reports, that's up to you. And I believe the biggest, most powerful part of this is also allowing the staff, employees to be able to utilize the Plexi boards in this same way. Obviously, they won't have access to all the Plexi boards, but the administrator can designate which Plexi boards go to which departments. So if it's a sales department, they only get access to those, for example. So when we go back to Volusion, for example, this is strictly mainly a dashboard for the administrator, the owner or whoever is running, the website, the shopping cart, which are, or either one. So this is mainly a statistical static report just to give you a general overall view of what's going on, in a pretty basic format. Our vision is to be able to take any of these formats, whether simple or more complex, and be able to combine them into a report that'll basically convert itself into a Plexi board, but using all the different parts of the database that relate to the data you want to appear on the report. So whether it's sales data or shopping cart data, kind of help desk data, all those things can actually be combined into one Plexi board if you want to see it on a general scale level. Or you can make them all separate, however you want to see them. So that's going to be another advantage we have above our competitor. Now you see they have here, going by a different definition, but I reviewed the software, and that's definitely a help desk system there. In our case, we have CRM and a help desk and the e-commerce side with many different permission features that go pretty far deep into the core of the membership side, subscription side of management and things like that. So in comparison, all these features that we're looking at here, as far as the categories, the purchase orders, receiving, these are all pretty basic features that are simply added on top of what we would currently have, which is called the foundation. Foundation is, in my definition, basically the platform that combines all the features together so they can be used, under one environment. So I believe that's probably the best way I can describe it for now. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I hope I answered some of them. So I guess I'll try to get more updated videos on as our other features start coming out, so we can see how those other features work. As I said earlier, this will all come together more as we get more of the bigger features out of the way, and we can display these features in different scenarios to see how they would work in that business environment. So I guess we'll wrap it up for now, and I'll see you in the next video.